Hello, in this video I'll be sharing with you exactly how you can buy low and sell high using your indicator window, which is the Commodity Channel Index and the RSI indicator. Why will you buy low and why should you sell high? The difference is anytime you are buying low from a discount zone, it means that you will be having a minimal stop loss. And anytime you are selling high from a premium zone, you'll be having what? A lesser stop loss. And remember, the principle of buying and selling is the fact that we always buy when the price of goods are low, and then we sell them when they are high. The same principle is applicable to their chart. So I'll be showing you the settings of the indicator. The first is my moving average. The period is 20, the shift is 0, the method is simple. Apply it to close and that is all. They have our our relative strength index. The period is 14. You can see the levels here, so you do the setting of your level. Then this color should be that of your background. If your background of your chart is white, make it white, and if it is black, you change the color to black. Then we have our Commodity Channel Index. Here is the setting. Take a screenshot and do the setting on your chart. So let's go. How exactly do we apply this? Remember, we are not trading in isolation. Every trade we are taking must be dependent on our trend of the market. So in this scenario, we will always determine the trend of the market. Our entry is going to be on a 1 hour time frame, and then our analysis is on the 4 hour time frame. We'll determine the trend based on the 4 hour time frame. So if you look at this, how do we determine the trend based on a 4 hour time frame? The process is very much simple. Two ways will determine the trend. First, we want to see that price is above the moving average. Okay, so price should be above this moving average 20. What that implies is that anytime price is in a strong bullish trend, it will be above the moving average. And when price is a strong bearish trend, it will be below this moving average 20 to be specific. Having established that point, what is the next point we need to do? We have determined the trend. We'll now move to our 1 hour. So this is an uptrend. Come to your 1 hour time frame where we will be making our trade entry. So on our 1 hour time frame, what do? We are not going to trade in isolation. We will now determine our area of support and resistance. So in this scenario, we have price left this zone. Remember, area of support and resistance is not a line. They are zones in the market. So we'll mark this zone as our area of support and resistance. So this is our area of support, right? Remember, we are in an uptrend, so we are looking for opportunity to buy. So look at what happened here. Afterwards, this is the first zone. This would have been our what? This would have been our first zone here. And then look at this. Price pull back, left pull back into this zone. Okay, into this zone. And after that, we have an engulfing candlestick pattern that you can buy. And you can see how the price plays out beautifully well. The question now is, how do you buy low? Now look at it. You want to ensure that when price pull back and you got that engulfing candlestick pattern, your CCI indicator should be coming from the zone of 20, just like in this scenario. Look at in this one, in the case of this one, This is our support zone. Then look at what happened. Price pulled back all the way to this point. So what do we have? Obviously, from our support zone, we now have what? This is our support zone. We had this pull back into this zone. This is an engulfing candlestick pattern. Do you see that? That engulfing candlestick pattern. We have this buy entry. So that's our buy trade. Our stop loss is here. Look at this. Our CCI is coming from the level of 10 and 20. So this shows that we are buying from a discount zone. Okay, it should be coming from this zone, and you can see how this price plays out beautifully well. Let's look at other assets and see exactly how we can do this. Let's look at EURUSD. Okay, this is EURUSD chart. Let's look at our 4-hour chart. Okay, the chart is still loading. It's loading. So let's see EURUSD beautifully well. So this is our 4-hour chart on EURUSD. For what we see, price is above the 20 period moving average. So this is an uptrend. Now let's move to our 1-hour time frame. Now on this 1-hour time frame, look at what happened here. Do you see that price is in a what? Is in an uptrend. So what is the next thing we want to see? We want to see a pullback. When price pull back, we pay attention to, in this case it pulled back to this zone, and then after that pullback we had this candlestick formation. We want to buy from a discount zone, so we are buying low. Look at this. Our CCI is coming from the level of 20 and 10. And you can see how that price plays out beautifully well. It is very simple. It's a straightforward pattern. You use your moving average to determine the trend. Okay, what your moving average will do for you is for you to determine the trend. Then you use this for time your entry. You use your CCI to determine your entry to confirm if at all it is in a premium or a discount zone. Then you need a candlestick confirmation in order for you to validate your entry, either a bullish engulfing for a buy, bearish engulfing for a sell, or a pin bar, in order for you to confirm your trade entry. Let's look at another example. This is crash 500, right? Yeah. Let's look at H4 time frame. You can see that price is above the middle, price is above the moving average, so this is an uptrend. So let's come to 1-hour time frame. Where would have been our entry? Our entry would have been here. You can see that. And then if you look at this zone, you realize that this zone has been a previous level of support. You can see how many times price have retested this support zone before eventually buying to the upside. This approach is simple, and it is easy for anyone to do and replicate the same result. Thank you for watching, and if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please do well to subscribe, turn on your notification so you'll be notified when we upload our next video, and please do not forget to like and share. See you in the subsequent video.